Okay, so this is what Giovanni sees. He's opening the platform and entering with his username and password. This is the same for all of you. It's clear that the other universities will find the information related their budget in homepage. All partners will find the budget allocated per work package. You know that with the lump sum approach, the main change in the use of a grant is that you should spend according with the activity reported in each work package. And if you look at your budget, so the template of Silky Way projects, so you know that you have a budget per work package. Implementing this platform, we decided to follow this distribution of the budget. And so in homepage, you find the budget of your budget divided in the six, in this case, the 6 work packages of a Silky Way project. Furthermore, you will find the budget split in the different categories already reported in your budget template of your project. So personal, subcontracting, travel, accommodation subsystems, equipment, and other goods, works, and services. You don't have budget allocated for financial support and third parties, but in the case we have these categories included in the table. The automatic calculation of direct costs, that is the 7% of the total cost, and then the total cost of your project. Take in consideration that you have to demonstrate in front of the European Commission the total cost of the project, not only the grant. So what we are going to ask you are documents demonstrating the total expenditure under which the European Commission will calculate the grant according with the percentage you reported in your budget and in your request, so in the contract. So just to be clear, you have to include in the platform the 100% of the total cost, okay? And then, in order to justify the grant, you will receive at the hand. In the first line in blue, you have the budget allocated in the case of the first table in the work package 1 under each category. In the case of this training session, we included in the platform just some examples, so don't worry about the amount reported. At the end of this training, we will clean the platform, okay? So we will clean the platform, so you will be ready to upload the real amount. So the data included in the platform at the moment of these training sessions, are only some examples to show you how the platform works. At the end of this training, I will personally clean the platform, and you will find only the allocated budget per work package and per under each categories. In the second line, you will find the total amount declared by you, by your institution in this moment, okay? Looking at the modules created under each category. If the amount declared under a category is under or equal to the budget allocated under the same category, the value will be in green. If the expenditures, the total expenditures declared under a specific category exceed the budget allocated, the amount will be in red. It's like an alert for you. So you exceed the amount you have for this category. In this case, it's not up to me to take a decision. You have to contact directly your project coordinator to understand if you can confirm this amount, moving some money from a category to another, if possible, under the same work package, or you have to go through other steps. For example, I don't know, move some amount for another work package is, if permitted, and other steps, other actions that are up to the project coordinator. Yes, Javier?
Yeah, well, thank you, Katusha. This is key. It is extremely important what Katusha has just explained. It's if you have some questions or let us know if you have it's clear for you, because it is extremely important, right? So far, so good. Any questions so far?
No.
No. So it's все понятно? Хорошо. Okay. Well, similarly, it's okay. Okay. Well, you can please, if you have some questions, I mean, whether you ask or you take notes, and then I mean, we'll make a round later on, right? Thank you.
Yes, absolutely. If you prefer, you can chat your questions, so I can complete, for example, the first part of the presentation, and then we can go through each of your questions and just to clarify your doubts. I suppose this is clear, and clear that this approach is the same for each work package. In each work package, you will find the first line, that is the budget allocated under each category, and the second line, that is the total amount of your expenditures declared at the moment. Don't worry for the third lines. So the third lines is important for the coordinator. So it's clear that in the case of only one partner, the first line match with the third line. It's important for the coordinator, as I will show you at the end of this training session.